free GATE CS test series. We are going to provide you 1000 tests, 1000 plus tests in the per GATE computer science. And every test will have 10 questions. They will be GATE level questions. I don't want to give too lengthy test series because you may not be able to sit for 3-4 hours. So it will be a 10 question test which you can take in half an hour. Take a test for half an hour, take a break for 10 minutes, take a test for half an hour, take a break for 10 minutes. This is going to be your routine. Okay. This is going to be your routine. Right. Then, so the total GATE CS tests that are available now on the platform are topic wise test, 88 tests are available, subject wise tests, 22 tests are available, and multi subject tests, 14 tests are available, and grand test, 20 tests are available. Already these are available. You can start writing the tests. And all these questions are prepared by people from IISc, and you will love the test series. It will be GATE level test series. Right? Then, this is the CN test series. You can go through it later. Okay, I'm not going to read it out. These are all the CN topic tests, OS topic tests, TOC topic tests, which are already available in the platform. We are going to add at least 10-15 tests every day. This is DBMS topic tests, programming and data structure, algorithms topic test, compiler design topic test, engineering mathematics topic test. And engineering mathematics is huge, so we have a lot of tests for it. And then DLD test, CO test, and then aptitude. And then aptitude is also a lot of tests. And then these are the multi-subject tests we have already on the platform. Okay. And then we have grand tests. So we have 10 grand tests already on the platform. You can start taking the exams according to your convenience. Now, free GATE DA test series, 1000 plus tests I'm going to provide per GATE DA, and each test is going to be 10 questions, and all the 8 questions will be GATE level questions. Okay. Now, total grand tests that are available on the platform are 33 topic tests, 8 subject tests, 7 multi-subject tests, and 12 grand tests. These are already available on the platform. Now, apart from it, I am going to add 1000 tests, and you are going to see all the 1000 tests every day. Every day, follow my YouTube channel. We are going to release a poster about how many tests are uploaded that day. Even on the platform also, you will get messages and emails whenever something is updated. Okay. And then probability and statistics. So these are all the tests that are already available on the platform. For P&S, we have these many tests. And for calculus, we have these many tests. And for linear algebra, we have these many tests. DBMS and warehousing, we have this. Programming and data structures, we have this. And machine learning, we have these tests. And AI, we have these tests. And aptitude, we have these tests. Okay. And AI, we have these tests. And then we have multi-subject tests. And then we have grand tests, 10 grand tests.